In front of me is Realme GT and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then select Consent in the pop-up and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Now click on this gear at the top left corner and adjust all of those options however you want to. Then select this X at the top right one and those three lines at the bottom right one. Hit Set as Live Wallpaper, select Yes and tap on Apply. Then decide where you wish to apply your wallpaper, and when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!